Hi guys, so hari ni aku nak share korang benda aku beli dekat Melaka. Okay, dekat Jonker Street to be specific. Masuklah kamera ni. Okay. So this is a lighter, a Zippo style lighter, but I didn't realize that there was scratch when I bought it. Okay, little scratch as you guys can see. It's very small. Cool design, metal, cost me just 10 ringgit, but of course it's pretty cool, right? So just go and buy it because this is the only thing that I found interesting. There, because there's not much thing there. Just some food, but Chinese food, so I'm not sure if they were halal or not, so I didn't buy it. I just buy this and a fridge magnet. So I'm gonna show you how it works now. The oil is out, so it's kinda hard. So I'm still gonna try to light up for you. See? Wait. Okay guys, so it's lighted. Basically this is windproof. Let's try. There's a fan up there. I'm gonna try to move near the fan and see how strong the windproof is. See? Still living. Oh, it's out. Yeah. But it's pretty good, man. I mean, for real though, it went out due to lack of gas, I think, because I've been playing this for a long time because it's very fun. Yep. Even though I don't smoke, but yeah, go to Jonker Street and find those Chinese sellers. Yep, local Chinese. That's all. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. I don't even know why you watch this, but yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Habis gas. Dia tu nak tutup dengan stylo gitu. Assalamualaikum.